Amber's favorite time.
Hello from EPCOT.
It's Flower and Festival season, right? Yeah. All the way up to July 5th. I think that's what the passport said.
Sometime in July.
July 5th. I had to look at the passport. Get a passport. No, we were really excited. Everything's blooming. Yes, everything's green.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
It's been a while since we vlogged. We're really excited to bring this to you. And don't forget, we are now officially here in Florida. So we get to do all this fun stuff.
And we're gonna have more HHN stuff, more Disney, more Universal, and other stuff we can find.
Yeah, and the music is sounding so great coming. But this is a huge secondary announcement from our official. So we're really excited. Enjoy this video and happy spring thing time, right? So today we didn't get a virtual line pass, but we did get a lightning pass. So we're waiting until 3:30. And look at this. This one's really cool. It's new to us. And the price is $85 for it. And right here they have new ears. Look at them. No. Those are cool. Those are $40. I'm sorry, $39.99. That penny matters. And Amber found a Spirit jersey, it looks like, and it's a light sweater. Excuse me. Looks like an iridescent. It's kind of cool. Nothing on the back. It just has a castle, and it says Walt Disney World. It's really cool. Yeah. That's neat, Amber. So the new Loungefly. It looks like a film reel. Oh, it does move. That's cool. And it shows everything. That's really neat. Oh, we're getting those. I'm not even asking. We're getting. That's not bad. I like that. We're getting that. But look at this. I like it. Go over here. Amber, I think we're going to get this too. Loungefly.
Why? I'm not going to use it.
It's for pretty. Okay, if you haven't followed us that much, I'm very nostalgic Disney, and this is just like killing me because like I'm like, that's so cool. Wow, that's $50. I expected more.
Really?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
I like that. Now that we own a home again, Amber's looking for stuff for the house. No, bad Amber. But it is pretty cool. Some of the stuff here. All nice stuff. Okay, hold on. So this is like a baseball jersey. It's kind of cool. We should get this and then go back to the Field of Dreams. Yeah, but we can go to Field of Dreams and we can walk through the corn stalks.
65. But it says Cartoon Pals.
That's fine. I don't care what it says.
Look at this. Funny thing you have to have.
Quit walking away from me. So we found the annual pass stuff for the festival. They are celebrating Snow White this year, it looks like. It's kind of cool.
Orange bird and stuff.
And then look, if you do a garden, you can do that. They have a 3/4 tea here. Amber has a tumbler, which is really kind of cool. 45, that's not bad. On the other side of where we're at, they have the magic band. And I found a pen. It wiggles. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And then you have this as a magic band. Pretty cool. Wow, so Amber found the Spaceship Earth bowl.
There it goes.
And it changes the colors. That would be really cool. And you touch to activate the colors.
Yeah, see?
Wow.
So at night, I bet you that looks amazing.
I know.
$130.
But it has figment.
I know. We're not big figment fans.
No. So just when we're about to go head over to Cosmic, or what's the name of the thing? Right, we're about to do? Yeah, we're about to leave for Guardians, and Amber goes, "This is cute." So I like it. It's kind of like nostalgic in a way. I kind of like it.
We also need to check to see where they have like the gold stuff that's 100.
I know.
Remember, since we saw a whole bunch of it at
Disney Springs. Okay, so we got the char grilled bison ribeye with creamy leek fondue, red wine butter sauce, and whipped red wine goat cheese. The smell was amazing. It smelled really good. Ready to try it?
All right, Brian, you just had a piece. Is it a thumbs up or thumbs down?
I might just buy bison from now on.
He said he's gonna get bison from now on because it's really good.
Yeah, you won't like it at all. So we're walking by on our way to the World Showcase to try some snacky snacks, and they have this Scentsy stuff that you can put your nose up to and sniff it. It's pretty cool. They have them all over here. So we got the coconut tres leche. It's vanilla cake soaked in oat milk, almond milk, and coconut milk. I told you coconut. That's a mouthful. And then we got a tropical breeze without alcohol. It's lemonade, grapefruit, and simple syrup. Looks pretty good. Are you ready, Amber? This is for you. So we didn't like this. Not to say that wasn't good. It just hit different. Oh, drink water. Public service announcement brought to you by Echo Travel Ventures. And your cake. Good? Did you get it again? No. Maybe it'd be better with alcoholism or something. I don't know.
Alcoholism?
Yeah. We'll see. On to the next. I think right down the way is Frushi. So hopefully she has room for that.
I'll make room.
Alright, so we stopped here. You hear the drummers in the background, which is really cool. We got the Frushi strawberry pineapple lychee wrapped in sweet rice and pink soy wrap, served with whipped cream, drizzled raspberry sauce, and toasted coconut. This is all for Amber. Bon appetit, Amber. Sir. How is it, Frushi? Yeah, I did notice when I got it, they were sitting out. It said it was warm. The fruit was, and the rice was like really sticky and more rice than fruit, I think. That stinks.
It was warm. I would expect it to be like
maybe colder. Yeah.
So maybe not next time.
Okay. Sad panda.
You know what I said?
Yeah. She said maybe next time. We'll see, but maybe not. So we found the loungefly. It has figment watering a Mickey bush or cactus. Can you take him off? No. But he looks like there's a button. Huh. Kind of cool. They have Crocs. They have Wally on this. That's neat. They have planters. Over here they have more of the merch and stuff. So if you look in the town, remember, they'll have the same banners at the festival that we're celebrating. Oh, here comes another train. Choo choo! Oh, there's Donald. That's cool. Alright, so they have basin over here. That's so exciting. They have a whole bunch of different stuff like salts and scents and all that cool stuff. That's really neat. Seems like they're celebrating Snow White this year. So you have a tumbler, you have a shirt. That's kind of cool though.
You made me feel guilty about it. It's snow.
And then they have an apron back there.
$30.
$30 for the temp. Turvis. And then they have gloves and apron over there. That's really cool. And then we'll continue on into Africa. So here are the ears. The orange bird. They have a loungefly as well. $85 for that. That's really cool. And then you have more stuff. This is right after you leave Africa. That's really cool. They have salt and pepper shakers for $13. That's really cool. So we got the lemon meringue. Oh, let me rephrase it. I got the lemon meringue. Has a pretty flower.
It's edible.
And we got the lemon and orange smoothie. And you had to get it with this cup holder thing. And Amber's telling me to tell you that they're pansies. I bet you they couldn't even defend themselves in a fight because they're edible. $5 for you to try it. Okay, but we're gonna try it. I'm excited. It's nice in here. It feels really great in here. Amber had 2 snacks. This is my second snack. And we had to come back for a concert series that we really want to go to.
And the other desserts.
And the other desserts. Ready? Break. Okay. So, this is freaking good. It tastes like, the texture is like milk over at Hollywood Studios, but it's so delicious. Dirty plate. Amber once again ate all my lemon meringue. She goes, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, and then she goes, Yes, you did. Let's replay the tape right now. See, notice that there's no tape because there is none. So the lemon meringue, I'm gonna have it on Amber for a minute. The lemon meringue, aw.
So Brian's gonna tell us about the lemon meringue.
So the crust was really good.
The crust was really good.
But on the crust, it had like a lemon, like tartness to it. I don't know.
And on the crust, he said it has a lemon tartness to it. That's how he said it too.
But yeah, everything was good. I'll definitely eat 2 more of these.
He said everything was good and he'd probably eat 2 more of these at a time.
You weren't supposed to repeat that.
I repeated it.
This